In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use zoom filters. If you want to make your Zoom calls look a little more fun, polished, or personalized, Zoom has a built-in filters feature that's very easy to access once you know where to find it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can open the filter options and start exploring them for yourself. Begin by opening Zoom and making sure you're on the main screen of the app. From there, look for the More option. This is where Zoom keeps additional tools and settings that aren't always visible on the main interface. Go ahead and click on More to open that menu. Once the menu appears, click on Settings. This is the area where you can control how Zoom looks and behaves, including your camera and appearance options. If you're trying to customize the way you appear during meetings, this is the right place to be. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Video and Effects. Depending on your version of Zoom, the wording may look slightly different, but it should still be very similar and easy to recognize. Click on Video and Effects to open the camera customization area. This section gives you access to tools that affect how your video appears, including visual enhancements and creative options. After that, click on Video Filters. This is the specific category where Zoom stores its built-in filter choices. Once you open it, you'll be able to browse through the available filters and preview how they look on your camera before joining a meeting or while setting things up in advance. As you test filters, it's a good idea to choose one that matches the tone of your meeting. For casual calls, you might prefer something playful or creative. For professional meetings, you may want a filter that looks clean and subtle. Since Zoom shows you a live preview, you can quickly decide what works best without guessing. If a filter doesn't look the way you expected, you can simply switch to another one right away. Take a few moments to try different options so you feel comfortable with how you appear on screen. This can help you look more confident and prepared before your next call. That's all it takes to find and use Zoom filters. Just click on More, go to Settings, open Video and Effects, and then select Video Filters. Once you know where these options are,